Most agencies just assume that tool stacking is, well, normal. You've got your CRM over here, an email tool there, maybe WhatsApp for messaging. But what if I told you that your biggest expense isn't your ad spend or your team? What if it's the invisible cost of all those disconnected tools? Let's pull back the curtain and see what's really costing you. So, let me just ask you straight up. As a founder, what do you think is your agency's biggest hidden cost? Really think about it for a second.
Well, here it is. It's the constant low-grade chaos that comes from trying to stitch together a dozen different apps. And in this explainer, we are going to break down exactly what that chaos is really costing your agency.
All right, so first things first, let's get on the same page and define what this problem actually looks like in the wild. We'll call it the agency's invisible cost.
Does this look familiar? I bet it does. You've got a CRM, but let's be honest, you're only using like half of it. You've got your email marketing tool, a separate app for texts or WhatsApp, something like Calendly for scheduling, and what's holding it all together? A bunch of Zaps and probably a few critical Google Sheets. This is the standard setup for so many agencies out there.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. That collection of apps you've got, that's not a tech stack. It's not a solid foundation. It's a fragile tower, just waiting to collapse the second you try to put any real weight on it.
Okay, so let's dig into how this fragile tower actually causes real, tangible problems. We're going to look at 5 specific ways it's leaking revenue from your business right now, probably without you even noticing. First, let's just get the obvious one out of the way, the direct software spend. $50 here for the CRM, another $30 for the email tool, $20 for your scheduler. It all adds up. You're probably spending, $200 to $400 a month? But here's the kicker. This is the smallest, least significant cost of them all. Seriously. The second, and way bigger, cost is the time your team is just wasting switching between all these tabs. Every single time someone has to click away from one app to open another, focus is gone, context is lost. It's like mental whiplash all day long. Just look at this workflow. To do one simple thing, just reply to a lead. You have to open the CRM, then switch over to WhatsApp, then jump to your calendar to confirm a time, and then, oh yeah, don't forget to update that spreadsheet. This whole process just kills speed, and in sales, speed is everything. You see, the problem is, tool stacking relies entirely on people remembering to do stuff. But we're all human, right? We forget to update the CRM, we miss a critical follow-up, we forget to turn off an automation and end up sending the same message twice. In a disconnected system, there are no safety nets, there's no accountability. It's just a silent, steady leak of your revenue. And this is for the founders out there. When your tools are all over the place, you have zero real visibility into what's actually happening in your sales process. You can't see the real lead response time. You don't actually know who your top performer is. You might even make a bad hiring decision because you're staring at incomplete data from 3 different places.
Let's just be blunt about it. With a scattered tool stack, you don't have a business dashboard giving you real-time data. You have a collection of guesses, assumptions, and out-of-date reports. You're flying blind, plain and simple.
And here it is. This is the final killer cost. That fragile system of yours might, and I mean might, work when you have 10 leads a day, but what happens when you try to scale to 100? The whole thing just breaks. More leads mean more messages, which leads to more mistakes, more stress, and eventually, founder burnout. So what do most agencies do? They just throw more people at the problem, trying to manage the chaos instead of fixing the broken system. So, what's the alternative to all this chaos? Well, it's not about finding yet another better tool. It's about a fundamental shift in how you think. It's about moving from a collection of tools to a single, unified system. This is what we call an agency operating system. Think of platforms like Go High Level. Their whole goal isn't just to be another tool in your stack. Its purpose is to replace the disconnection itself. It's built to be the single source of truth for every single interaction you have. So how does a system like that actually work? Well, first, one CRM becomes the undeniable source of truth. No more guessing. Second, you get a unified inbox for email, SMS, Instagram DMs, everything, all in one place. Your sales pipeline starts to reflect what's really happening, not what your team thinks is happening. And you can build powerful automations without relying on those fragile Zapier band-aids. Those little connections that break every time an app updates. Okay, so that's the theory. Let's make this super practical. Let's look at a side-by-side comparison to see the real-world difference between these 2 ways of working. Just look at this breakdown. The old tool stack approach, that means multiple logins, fragile, manual sync-in where you're just hoping the data transfers correctly, and no clear owner for your data. The reporting is always late and usually inaccurate.
But with a unified system, you get one login, automated workflows that just run, clear ownership of every single lead, and live, real-time visibility. The difference isn't just about features, it's about control.
Now listen up, because this is a really important warning. A tool like Go High Level is not a magic wand. I see so many agencies make the mistake of moving their tools over, but keeping their old chaotic habits. A great system amplifies discipline and good processes. It cannot and will not create them out of thin air.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final question. It's a question that reframes this entire conversation around what really matters for your agency: growth. This really brings us to the most important question. It's not about, is a unified system cheaper than my current stack in terms of monthly fees? The real and much bigger question you need to ask yourself is this: how much is that fragile tower of disconnected tools costing your growth?
Because if your agency constantly feels busy but never truly feels scalable, tool stacking is almost certainly the culprit. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this one simple, powerful idea: simplify the stack so you can finally scale the agency.